Hey guys, 𝗃𝗯𝗃 here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make ebook for free. Let's say you have a website and you want to collect email address of a new visitor on your website. You can simply give this ebook to your new visitor to collect email address. This way you can build up an email list for your email marketing strategies. If you want to learn email marketing, you can go to the description box of this video and watch that email marketing essential training. You can create ebook not only to collect email addresses, you can create ebook to make money online by selling it on your own website. If you want to learn how to make own ebook selling website, you can go to the description box of this video and watch that video because I already made that video for you guys. So without wasting more time, let's get started and let's look at how you can make ebook for free.
Alright guys, let's get started and let's create a ebook for free. We are going to create a ebook with 5 steps. Let's begin with our first step. To create an ebook, we have to create an account on canva.com. To get started, click on the first link in the description box of this video and that will take you to this website. Here, click on sign up. You can sign up with social icons or you can sign up with your email address. I would like to sign up with my email address. Now fill up these details and then click on get started. So now we have to verify our email address. So let's go to your email address. So you can see that canva.com has sent us an email, confirmation email. Now confirm this email address. Now close these tabs. Now you have to answer this question. What will you be using Canva for? I'm going to click on personal. You can try Canva Pro Subscription for free for 30 days. If any case you don't like Canva Pro Subscription, you can cancel it anytime. They will send you a reminder 3 days before your trial ends. I highly recommend you to go for Canva Pro Subscription. In the end of the video, I'll show you what you can do with Canva Pro Subscription. But for now, let's click on maybe later. So now let's move with our second step. In this step, we are going to choose a template for our ebook. To choose a template for ebook, come over here and search for book cover and select that. Now click skip tour. Now make sure you are inside the templates tab. In the search bar, you can search your specific category for your book. You can search for something like website design. So now you can see that we have different types of templates that you can choose for your ebook. Some of them are free and some of them comes with pro subscription of canva.com. I'm gonna delete this text and I'm going to use this template because I like this one. To change anything on your template, simply select that. First, we are going to ungroup that. And now I'm going to highlight that text and type your own text. Same thing here, double click, or you can simply highlight that or type your own text. To make a enter website. Click here and let's adjust these text by simply dragging and dropping, something like that. If you want to delete any element, simply select that and click on delete. I'm gonna delete this one as well. So let's move with our third step. In this step, we are going to create a new page for our ebook. To create a new page, simply click over here, add page. So now you can see that we have 2 pages. You can change page title if you want. So let's move with our fourth step. In this step, we are going to add a content in our ebook. To add a content into our ebook, let's go to text. Here you can choose heading, subheading, or you can add a body text. First, I'm going to add a body text. Click on that and here you can type your own text. Once you add your text, you can click over here and then select that text again and you can adjust your text anywhere you want. So if you want to change a font style of your text, simply select that text, highlight it, Ctrl A to highlight and come over here and you can here change any font style you want. These are the free one and these font style comes with the pro subscription. So I'm happy with this font. So if you want to change the color of your font, select your text, come over here and change whatever color you want. You can make it bold or you can make it italic or you can underline it or you can align your text So now let's add image on this page. To do that, let's go to photos, and here you can search your specific category. I'm going to select website design. So these are the pro tags. That means if you have a pro subscription, then you can use this image. So this is a free image. I'm going to use this one. Select that. Now drag and drop your image over here. Let's increase the size. So I'm happy. That's good. Let's go to page 2. Let's quickly add a content on this page. Let's go to text. Let's add a heading. Let's scale this down. Unselect and select again. If you want to drag and drop. Unselect and select again. Adjust the position of your text. Now I'm going to add a body text. Let's type your body text. Unselect. Select again. Drag and drop your body text. Something like that. Over here. Now I'm going to add image over here. If you want to add your own image, simply go to uploads and drag and drop your image over here. Once you upload your image, simply drag and drop your image over here. I'm going to increase the size of this image. Alright, I'm happy. Let's say you want to add a website URL or anchor text on your ebook. Simply highlight that text, go to this link and type your website URL and click on apply. Now you can see that we have added a link on this text. If someone going to click on that link, they will land on your given URL. So this is how easy to add content on your ebook. So now let's move with our 5th step. In this step, we are going to download this ebook as a PDF file. To do that, let's click on download and choose your file type, PDF standard, and select your pages. Make sure all pages are selected and then click on download. Let's click on start download. Let's open your ebook. Scale this down. So guys, this is your ebook looks like. So if you remember, we added a website link on this text. So now if someone going to click on that text, they will land on your given URL. Alright. So this is how you can create a ebook for free. So if you still not want to design an ebook for yourself, you can hire a professional artist from 𝗃𝗏.com. Link in the given description below. You can go ahead and hire a professional artist from 𝗃𝗏.com. Alright, now let me show you the benefit of having a pro subscription of Canva.com. So with this pro subscription, you can create anything you want. If you go to the templates option, you can see you can create social media stuff like Instagram stories, post, Facebook cover, YouTube channel art, or you can even create a logo, business card, flyer, posters, and many other types of artwork that you can do with the pro subscription of Canva.com. You can create these type of artwork without having a knowledge of anything. You can create these artwork for your personal use, or you can create this artwork for your client. Yes, you heard me right. You can make money by creating this artwork for your client. With the Canva Pro subscription, you can do stuff like freelancing on freelancing.com, 𝗃𝗏.com. For more information on freelancing, you can watch this video. In this video, I've shown how you can make money on 𝗃𝗏.com. Make sure you check out this video as well. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoy. If you really did, don't forget to hit the like button. That would be appreciated. That being said, goodbye, and I'll catch you guys next time.